Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the data transfer rate between the Realme GT 60 device versus OnePlus 12R using the OTG pendrive. So this is a Type-C SanDisk 128GB pendrive which I got right now, and let's do the quick data transfer rate between this Realme GT 60, and I'm going to use a stopwatch here to measure the time exactly of transferring 1GB of data from pendrive to the device. So we'll try to see between these both phones, so what will be the overall speeds you can actually expect between the two devices. So let me connect the pendrive first with the Realme GT 60, and let's perform the test. Right now the pendrive is connected, and I'm going to use this time the default file manager, since a lot of users they have requested me to use the default file manager only. I've started to use the default file manager, and right now the OTG pendrive is detected successfully. And let's go to the test folder, and here the size of the video is 943 MB as you can see. So this kind of close to 1GB. So let me do quickly go to the copy and go back to the device, and is a folder which I'm going to select. And right now let me to click at same time. So right now I did click at same time, and here the 1GB of data is transferring from pendrive to the Realme GT 60 as you can see guys. So now here is a stopwatch which is ready, and we'll try to see 1GB how much time it actually takes from pendrive to the device. So even we'll try to measure same thing with the OnePlus 12R. So in this way we'll try to get to know exactly data transfer speed rates, what's going on between the two devices, Realme GT 60 and the OnePlus 12R. So let's observe the difference. So will there be any kind of huge difference or just little bit difference while doing this transfer test? We'll try to check in this video. And right now it's kind of close to 45 seconds, and still the data 1GB is taking slightly more time because of the USB 2.0 which is present in the Realme GT 60. That's why it's taking some time to copy as well. So you can see the speeds as well, how slow it is. So we'll try to see the same thing in the OnePlus 12R. So how much time the OnePlus 12R is taking to transfer from pendrive to device speeds. So I will be back after some time, still because it's taking some time. So we're getting close to the end of the test results, and it's kind of close to 1 minute and 52 seconds is the time taken from the pendrive to the device to copy the 1GB of data. So let me to safely remove this pendrive by tapping on the notification option. So right now the pendrive is removed from the Realme GT 60, and now let's move to this OnePlus 12R and let's find out the speed test. So I'm going to use the same file which I've used for the Realme GT 60. So same file, let's try to check. Let me to reset the stopwatch. Let's go to the test folder, copy, device, alarm, and let's start the test. So right now I start the test exactly at same time, and let's see guys. So 1 minute 52 seconds in the Realme GT 60 for transferring 1GB of file. So this with the default file manager. When I use the different file manager, it took slightly less time. For example, the CX file manager which I have used, so it took kind of close to 1 minute and 10 seconds or 20 seconds, but little bit less. But since the users are asking me to use a default file manager, so I thought of using the default one just to show you the demonstration comparison between both the phones, OnePlus 12R and the Realme GT 60. The OnePlus 12R seems like doing better job in copying, I guess. So it's not taking much time. So this is not 3.0, this is still the 2.0 only, because if it is at 3.0, by this time the 1GB would have been completely copied. So it will be not taking this much time. So both phones are USB 2.0, but the OnePlus seems to be having slightly faster speeds. As you can see, it took 58 seconds, so less than 1 minute of time to transfer the same 1GB of file from pendrive to the device. So this is overall data transfer speed test comparison between these both phones using the SanDisk 128GB OTG pendrive. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay for more updates, and bye.